Hey, what's up, guys? This is James Rober, and I am here to unbox my new Galaxy S24 Plus. You see that? S24 Plus. I am doing a major upgrade. I'm actually recording this video with my Samsung A53. As soon as I get this phone set up, I'll be turning that phone in. They give you like a deferred trade-in. So with the trade-in, I get like a $415 off on this phone. So I'm gonna unbox it, and here we go. So peeling this off here, the seal, which is kind of tight. Kind of a tight seal. Once you peel this off, you cannot go back. It's done. I don't know what the deal is once they, if you want to take it back then, I don't think you can. I don't know, but I'm thinking you cannot. So I'm getting this seal off here. By the way, comment in the comments what kind of phone you have. Do you have a S24 Plus? If you do you like it? How's it been working out for you? So okay, here we go. We're lifting the lid, and all right, so this is what comes with it. Obviously the phone, then there's some stuff in there. Let's start with this stuff, whatever that might be. So okay, that's the lid, empty. And then I'm thinking this is usually the manual, or is it anything? Okay, here we go. There's the quick start guide. Okay, so we got the cardboard. Okay, here's the thingamajiggy, the pin, and here's a cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. Does not come with the power adapter. Here's a bunch of instructions and different languages. Nobody reads these, at least I sure don't. So that's that. And then of course the actual phone. So, and here we go. Get rid of that. And here is the actual phone. It has some protecting thing on it, if you can see. Peel this off. Should I pull it off? Yeah, it's like a black thing that protects it. Not going to be able to see through it. So I'm going to pull that off. And then we're going to power this on. First, let's take a good look at it. Here's your cameras. Here's your side buttons. There's another look at the cameras. So I forget what the size of the screen. It's 6 point something. I want to say 6.2, somewhere around there. Here is the bottom. So the UPC or USB-C, and there's a slot here, and then there's a SIM card tray there. So now how it feels, I don't want to get it all dirty, but anyway, it feels pretty good. It feels pretty strong. I think it's some kind of armor aluminum. So it's a good size phone. It's probably a little bit smaller, I think, than the A53. I don't know the exact dimensions. I think the A53 is like 6.7. I think this S24 Plus Ultra, like I said, 6.2, 6.3. I'm going to power it on now. So I'm powering it on. I'm going to try to power it on. It's got any battery. So I'm holding the button. Okay, here we go. And it's coming on. So I'm not going to go too much farther, but I'll let you see the screen. And I'll have to do a lot to set this up. It's going to take time. I'm not going to video all that. But anyway, at least you get to see what you actually get when you buy an S24 Plus, what comes in the box. That's what this is, unboxing video. That's all you get, but it's pretty good. It's $1,000 phone. And if you trade in with T-Mobile, I guess I should try to get some kind of affiliate link or something going with T-Mobile so I can make some money from this thing. Or maybe if you want to buy from Amazon, I could probably set that up. But anyway, yeah, that's the unboxing of the S24 Plus. I am looking forward to getting this going, and maybe I'll do another video where I actually go in, let you really see some other things like the speed and how fast it loads. And now I will say quickly the specs on this phone before I let you go. If I'm not mistaken, I believe, yeah, it even says right on the back here. Matter of fact, if you want to see for yourself, I don't know if you can read that, but it says on that sticker that it's 256 gigabyte storage. I believe it has 12 gigs of RAM. And what else? The battery, I think, is 4,900 mAh battery. And what else would you probably want to know? The processor, I don't remember. I'm not too good with processors because they change them all the time, and it's a good processor, I know that. And the camera, the front camera is a 12 megapixel camera, and then the back camera, I believe there's a 50 megapixel. I don't remember the S24. I think it's the Ultra that has a 200 megapixel. So there's a few specs of this, like the camera a little bit that I don't remember correctly, but I know it has at least 50 megapixels on the back. I know it has 12 megapixels on the front, and I got to get me a phone case for it. I'll probably get that from Amazon. I always get my phone cases from Amazon, my screen protectors from Amazon. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, if you're thinking about buying an S24 Plus and this video helped you decide whether you want to get one or not, give me at least like the video. If you want to subscribe, great. But anyway, until then, God bless you. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.